How much will Ripple XRP be worth in 2021 and beyond? Will it go up or crash further? These are the questions that graced our minds amidst the struggles that plagued Ripple XRP in December 2020, and even more the first few days of this year. It left many people wondering if Ripple XRP is a good investment at all. Before moving on, like and subscribe right now, or you're going to have terrible luck in cryptocurrency this weekend. Today, we'll be looking at one XRP millionaire's prediction that Ripple XRP will be valued at $500 soon. Ripple XRP is one of the world's major cryptocurrencies, and one of the most intriguing. It doesn't market itself on its decentralization. Instead, the crypto is closely aligned with several banks, investment firms, and businesses around the globe. This is against a trader's belief that any cryptocurrency's biggest virtue is its freedom from external companies. However, some crypto experts are increasingly rooting that it could be the key factor behind Ripple's success. Although the world of cryptocurrency can be notoriously difficult to predict, some believe that XRP has a unique market position and it could maintain it in the next few years. Want to find out more about Ripple XRP? Well, you're in the right place. Ripple is commonly used to describe both its payment platform and native currency. XRP is used via a platform called RippleNet. Instead of offering traders and investors a way to make online transactions without having to go through a centralized financial body, which can be slow, potentially insecure, and costly, it was designed to make it easier for those very same centralized financial bodies to make payments themselves. Cross-border payments can be even slower, with much higher transaction fees than domestic payments. And global businesses can make hundreds of these transactions every day. Ripple helps solve this problem. To avoid sky-high transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates, Ripple enables corporations to send and receive payments in Ripple XRP. It operates in a way that evades some of the issues that can affect either fiat currencies or other decentralized cryptos. The market is extremely volatile, as it's much smaller than other markets, so prices can rise and fall more sharply. Therefore, it's still good to look at current developments and the future to say something about a forecast. XRP's prospects look positive when viewed in the long term. Trading Ripple in the short term is much riskier. Many people wonder why all cryptocurrencies are rising, but this always has something to do with what's going on with the project that the crypto is linked with. Considering studies held last year, blockchain standards were predicted to increase in 2021. Albeit a fall from grace, XRP is now the fourth largest cryptocurrency, which is aiming for a lot of developments by 2021. Given XRP's price trends, the experts believe that it is positioned to enter into countless financial institution partnerships. As a result, XRP is deemed likely to even touch the $2 mark. An analyst made a very optimistic bullish prediction for XRP in 2020, as it was believed that 2020 was going to be a flawless year for Ripple. It was even stated that XRP might reach as high as $20 by the end of 2020. Well, that sure didn't happen, as the coin further depreciated with the SEC slapping its parent company with a lawsuit. A well-known cryptocurrency prediction website also stated that by the end of 2020, XRP would attain newer heights and reach $22.79 with a circulating supply of over 38 billion XRP. Such were the hopes that were dampened by coronavirus and, ultimately, the security or no security debate between Ripple and the SEC. Predictions about 2021. Considering the huge potential of Ripple regardless of its troubles, there are further indications that Ripple XRP could be in for a more prosperous 2021. In a publication in late August 2020, the company announced a prospective transactional partnership with Ethereum. This would enable applications based on the Ethereum platform to access the XRP ledger, as well as vice versa. This will enhance XRP's functionality and also increase the demand for XRP. Analysts predicted that the price of XRP will reach about 95 cents before the end of 2021, representing an increase of around 395% on its current price of 24 cents. Another analyst is also optimistic about Ripple XRP's prospects in 2021, and they predict that the price will hit close to 33 cents by the end of January. A renowned crypto millionaire believes that holding long-term positions on cryptocurrencies such as Ripple is the most sensible approach. He said this counting on his experience as one of the early investors in Bitcoin. He had ignored the naysayers and stuck to his ideas, and that's where he got to enjoy the staggering return. This is how he's benefited off the investment of crypto such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, just to mention a few. He has an immense amount of XRP in his portfolio as he awaits another staggering return. Learning from him could allow us to see how the same can be true for XRP. He urged any Ripple investors to not dwell on earning short-term gains, but consider long-term investment, spanning months and years, as opposed to days and weeks. Things are going to set the crypto on quite the run, especially with increasing institutional investor interest skyrocketing when it rallies in the market. According to him, the price of Ripple XRP will one day reach $500. This shows a much more optimistic prediction than one issued by Robert Art, which predicted Ripple to hit $200. Both of their claims suggest a larger growth percentage of XRP compared to Bitcoin. If you're wondering, should I invest in Ripple XRP, the short-term cryptocurrency predictions aren't particularly conclusive. But looking ahead to 2022 and beyond, what could we expect to see in the long term? There's a growing list of believers in the development of XRP who are sticking to their optimistic outlook, claiming that they expect the price of XRP could hit $2.50 at some point during 2021 if all things pan out. This is a whopping increase of more than 854%. Several factors could potentially drive this level of change. With the SEC presenting a major challenge to XRP, we believe that if the US government reaches a consensus on cryptocurrency regulations, the demand for Ripple will skyrocket. Ripple has a pretty good track record quietly working with government agencies to ensure compliance for years. Therefore, it was deemed far less likely to be affected by new rules or taxation measures that could send investors racing away from more conventional cryptos. Think of Ripple as a long-term investment. That way it projects that Ripple could perform much better. According to his predictions, the value of the Ripple XRP token could rise to 46 cents by the very end of February, consolidating at 58 cents in 2021, and achieving a mean price of $2.32 by 2022. That's a modest but steady increase of over 10%. Although the price of Ripple has never reached the dizzying heights of Bitcoin, which hit $23,000 per token in December 2020, it still experienced some dramatic fluctuations in the 8 years since it was first launched. Analyzing the past performance of a cryptocurrency is one of the most important steps to take if you're looking for the top cryptos to invest in. So let's take a look at how the price of Ripple XRP has changed in the past, and some of the key factors that could affect its price in the future. Cryptocurrency regulations. The dawn of new cryptocurrency regulations is likely to affect the price of almost every crypto on the market. With Ripple XRP being the victim of the SEC's lawsuit, other cryptos can also possibly be facing the same situation under the same charges. Many experts believe that Ripple is better placed to weather the storm of strict government intervention. As a result, while new regulations are likely to cause investor uncertainty and could lower the price of conventional cryptos, it could send the price of Ripple soaring. Supply and demand. The higher the demand for any cryptocurrency and the lower the supply, the more likely we're going to see a price increase. Unlike cryptos such as Bitcoin, the value of Ripple is closely controlled by its parent company, Ripple Labs. The company currently holds more than half of all total Ripple tokens to keep the price under control. Digital transformation in the financial sector. Digital transformation is one of the biggest buzzwords in the financial sector today. With high exchange rates and legacy systems making it more difficult for companies to make online payments, more are likely to look towards technology such as Ripple. It's predicted that Ripple will soon be able to offer smart contracts. If more banks start to adopt it, the demand for XRP will increase, successfully driving up the price. Don't you think it's time for you to buy Ripple XRP? Now, this millionaire's predictions are the most optimistic for Ripple XRP, around a touch ahead of the claim that it could hit prices of $200. In general, more modest predictions expect the price to reach over $2 by the end of 2025. It is expected to try to hit the peaks of its most explosive year, that is 2017, when its price skyrocketed by 36,000%. If you've been looking for Ripple XRP price predictions for 2020 to 2025, well, we hope you found this video helpful. Cryptocurrency investing is notoriously risky, and it's vital to have a robust risk management strategy in place if you're considering adding Ripple XRP to your portfolio. A fancy way of saying you should go long-term. However, cryptocurrency trends suggest the value of Ripple will ultimately rise by more than 2,000% by the year 2025. This chart shows the price contracting between two trend lines and forming a new structure. The price support level has been supported by the lower trend line of the structure, and it managed to make a breakout to the upper side and attain the first target at 30 cents. If price continues to hold above the support, we expect the price to move higher. XRP's price has risen about 50% of its initial price of 22 cents. Good news, right? According to these predictions, it seems it's best to invest in Ripple XRP if you're prepared to play the long game. It's unlikely to see a dramatic price increase, but the chart suggests it could be a smart investment for those who are happy to take long-term positions. If this crypto millionaire is getting it done, what about you or me? Sure, we can capitalize on what we have at hand and multiply it while we wait for XRP to recover and rise from the dip. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. What do you think of this current XRP price rise? Let us know in the comments below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. See you next time.